Number 1. Weber 18-inch Smokey Mountain Cooker. If you're on a budget and in the market for a smoker, the Weber 18-inch Smokey Mountain Cooker is your best bet. Weber has made slight yet significant changes to this popular smoker, including a lid-mounted thermometer and bottom-mounted heat shield, making it more user-friendly and effective. The addition of the lid-mounted thermometer allows you to easily monitor the cooking temperature without having to lift the lid, while the bottom-mounted heat shield protects the surface your smoker is placed on. These improvements make the cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. The large water pan in this smoker is a game changer. Not only does it help maintain a stable temperature, but it also creates a moist cooking environment that prevents flare-ups. Additionally, the water pan can be used to add flavor to your food, making it a versatile and valuable component of this smoker. One thing to note is that assembly can be a bit tricky, but once you have it set up, the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker delivers exceptional results. The combination of innovative features and reliable performance make this smoker stand out from its competitors, making it the best budget option for smoking enthusiasts. Experience the convenience and quality of the Weber 18-inch Smokey Mountain Cooker for yourself.